Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we have something that's essential for anyone who collects trading cards, business cards, or simply wants to keep important documents safe and organized. We're talking about the Amazon Basics 9-Sleeve Card Protectors Binder Sheets, the best binder paper protector sleeves you can find. Now, you might wonder, what makes these card protectors stand out from the rest? First, let's talk about their durability. These pages are made of clear, sturdy polypropylene plastic, which ensures your cards stay safe and protected without sacrificing visibility. The transparent material lets you view your cards from both sides, while still keeping them secure from any damage. Whether you're storing business cards, trading cards, or even photos, these protectors provide the ideal solution for keeping everything in mint condition. Each pack contains 100 sheets, with each page featuring 9 top loading pockets. This means you can store up to 18 cards in a single sheet, 9 on each side. For those of you who need a large amount of space for your collection, the sheer volume of cards these protectors can hold is fantastic. Plus, the pockets themselves measure 3.7 inches by 2.76 inches, the perfect size for most standard cards, ensuring a snug fit for whatever you need to store. The real benefit of these card protectors, though, is their versatility. They're pre-punched and designed to fit into any standard 3-ring binder, making it easy to organize and access your cards whenever you need them. This makes them perfect for organizing trading cards, business cards, or even for archival storage of important documents. Whether you're a collector or just need a safe way to store your cards, these protectors ensure everything stays neatly organized and easily accessible. What's more, these sheets are acid-free, which is essential for archival quality storage. This means your cards, whether they're vintage or newly collected, won't degrade over time. For anyone who's serious about preserving their items, this feature is a game-changer. The acid-free material ensures that no harmful chemicals are affecting your cards, helping to maintain their condition for years to come. If you've been searching for a reliable, efficient, and budget-friendly way to protect your cards, these Amazon Basics 9-Sleeve Card Protectors are a perfect choice. They offer the right balance of durability, transparency, and convenience, all at an affordable price. Whether you're organizing your personal collection or ensuring that your business cards remain pristine, these protectors will keep your items safe and secure. So, there you have it. The Amazon Basics 9-Sleeve Card Protectors Binder Sheets, your ultimate solution for keeping your cards organized and protected. If you're looking for a reliable product that won't let you down, this is the one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and critiques. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.